Alright, so we've eliminated like 26 codes, we're down to 6. The vacuum pressure sensor is simple. There's no vacuum on the truck. I believe that's the issue. That's not going to hold anything back from happening if the sensor is bad. These, I believe, are tied to the flatbed. Those were here previously. This one is the one that's holding us back. The PAT system is not allowing me to reset the parameters. I am currently working with tech support to try to figure out the resolve for the issue. If not, we might have to have a locksmith actually reprogram it. I got the keys programmed, but it's not letting me reset the parameters of the PATs. Line bus for the driver door module. Water got into the system, I'm darn sure. The driver door module is probably bad, and I believe the switch is probably bad too. That is the only switch on here that works. The lights don't even come on, nothing works. Cabin sensor, that's not going to cause any issues. These are tied to that PATS code. It's shutting off the ground of the fuel pump between the modules.